Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working in the kitchen, getting some things packed up for our move to Alaska. We are shedding things still and getting things packed up, but we're gonna pack up things I don't need right now, like pie plates. Christmas baking is over, so it's time to pack those things away. So let's get into it and get some things done. I went ahead and gathered on this counter some items that I've been finding that need to be packed up. I'm gonna start with these clothes, putting them in a vacuum bag, and I'm gonna take them to our shop vac and get those sucked down into a smaller size, and that'll make it easier to transport. I've gone through my kitchen a few times and downsized my inventory. Now that the holidays are over, I'm gonna go ahead and pull some items that I can do without until we move, because I'm not gonna be baking any cakes or cupcakes. I can use disposable sheet pans if I want to happen to make a cake, but I don't need my stainless steel ones, so I'm gonna pack those away. This black box has a cool knife that I got inside of it, and I'm trying to see if it will fit inside of a box that I have semi-packed, but it won't. So I'm gonna get a bigger box to put those items as well as the knife into with our large meat marinating container. While I am pulling these things out, I'm also going ahead and looking over and seeing if I missed anything that can also be donated or if it's broken and needs to be trashed. I don't happen to find anything today, so we're just going to be packing up some things that I can do without.
The wind moves softly like a gentle sigh. through whispers hidden where the trees lie. A melody flows where time stands still, in twilight's arms on the quiet hill. Breathe with the earth, let the moment freeze. Echoes unfold in the dancing breeze. Close your eyes, feel the world so wide. The rhythm of life in the air collides, light. The river hums with a silver gleam, under moonlight's watching a shadow dream. The stars lean closer, their hearts ignite. They kiss the horizon to end the night. Oh, let us drift, let the current steer. No sound too loud, nothing's unclear. A flute that sings from the ancient stone, its song a story in the undertone. Breathe with the earth, let the moment freeze. Echoes unfold in the dancing breeze. Close your eyes, feel the world so wide. The rhythm of life in the air collides. Hands on the strings, heartbeats align. The breath of a flute feels so divine. Ethereal whispers carry us away, where dreams are born at the edge of day.
Now I'm just trying to balance filling this space with what I have without making it too heavy. It's very much like playing Tetris at this point. I think that's going to do it, so I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some paper to support the box and close it up. By this time I was getting kind of tired and having trouble breathing. Cedar season in Texas is a horrible thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a break. My intention was to get back and finish packing the things that you still see on the counter there, the jars and the shredding tool and containers, but we discovered a plumbing issue and we had to quit for the day. So I'm continuing with the packing off camera, but I do get it done. Well, there we have it. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today as we got some things packed for our trip to Alaska. Hopefully you have enjoyed spending time with me, getting things done, and it encouraged you to get up and do a chore, whatever it is that you have to do, done as well. That helps me sometimes in videos as well. Thank you again for joining, and we will see you next week. Bye.